Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And as this video is rolling, we are rolling along with it. Today we're on the road. We're on our way to go see moms. It's going to be a daddy-daughter / Mother's Day hangout. And just wish me some traveling mercies to get there and to get back. But listen, I don't know if I'm going to be able to deliver on the Triple Play Saturday. But just in case I don't, just hold on to Sunday. I should be back sometime then. All right, you all, the weekend is here. It's time to get ready. I don't know what you got planned, but for those of you all who have mothers, happy Mother's Day to your mother. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers on this channel and beyond, and have the greatest weekend ever. All right, you all, let's get this weekend review started now. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we got a couple of nice watch faces for you all to take a look at. They're going to be super casual, so just be open-minded. Now, the name of this watch face is called Amos. Very simple, very plain. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a digital look. Not a bad look at all, because time is important. But once the watch face is on, I like this layout. I like this design. It's a 24-hour digital, and it is an analog watch face. So if you can't tell, look up at the top. You can kind of see 15, 18, 21. It's kind of somewhere in between 22 and 23, right? And you come down and you will see your minute hand, which is right down there at the bottom. It's red. And you also get your battery light. It doesn't give you the number or anything like that, but this isn't a bad look. Now, if you look what a digital time is, if you come down, it will give you your heart rate info and your step info as well, your day and your day. It's a nice design, not bad, considering that it is free in the Gear Manager store. So go check it out. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Okay, you all, this is watch face number 2. Now, number 2, very unique, very nice, very fun, and very free in the Gear Manager store, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called SimpL. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be blacked out. Now, when the watch face is on, again, I really like the uniqueness, the difference in the style of this watch face. It's very simple. Up at the top, right there, you're going to get your day of the week. You go all the way across, you're going to get your battery percentage, and you do get an analog look in a very unique way. This is going to be your hour hand, and that's going to be your minute hand right there, right? I like the design. It is not interactive. You cannot customize the color. You can't change anything. You can't go in and get your steps. None of that. Very simple, very plain. Again, remember, very unique and very fun. All right, you all, I'd say check this one out in the Gear Manager store. You might like it. And I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. Enjoy Mother's Day. Have fun. Eat well. And be safe. All right, you all, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.